Now, there are very few times where I would ever say that the Desmos graphing calculator ends up being superior to your own graphing calculator. However, this is one of those times. So essentially, every time you see a linear equation, in other words, when both x and y are to the first power, and then either a quadratic function, which means one of the variables is to the second power, or if both of them are to the second power, which is what we'd really have if you went ahead and foiled this, that's actually the equation of a circle. But regardless, this is essentially non-linear systems. So a non-linear system is when you have maybe a linear equation, but then a non-linear as well. So whenever you have that, we're going to go ahead and use Desmos. And just like in Blue Book, in our software, you just click calculator in the upper right here, and we're going to go ahead and just type these in. And I'm literally going to use my keypad. I think it's a little bit easier. For the squared part, you just click here, and then we'll put equals, parentheses, y plus 5. So I'm just going to type it exactly the way that I see it. And then notice we have this circular equation. We'll go to the second one. We'll do 5y is equal to 15x. And then notice they're talking about the solution to the system being this ordered pair. They specifically want a, which is the x coordinate. And notice we actually have 2 points of intersection. We have one right here. This is just the origin. It's not a point of intersection because the circle doesn't contain that point. And then we have this point as well. They're specifically narrowing it down. I'm going to click collapse here. I can see a little bit better. They're specifically saying that the a value is greater than 0, aka positive. So of these two, this one has the x coordinate as negative. This one has the x coordinate as positive. So we're going to go ahead and use this positive value of 1.25, which we could obviously turn into an improper fraction of 5/4. Either one is acceptable, but I would just type in 1.25 and call it a day.